Hello you lovely people, I'm Cameron and welcome to my channel and to my office. I'm really happy you're here today and I'm excited for today's video. It's going to be super short and sweet and it's all about you. I know that as we're all just spending a little bit more time at home than usual, that also means that our internet and online consumption is also slightly increased. Just kidding, if you were to look at my screen time, you might laugh, you might cry, you might be impressed. Same. Content consumption and creation is at an all-time high right now. Everybody's on the internet all the time. We're looking for inspiration, we're looking for education, we're looking for just a mindless laugh. Whatever it is, we're all here a lot more, and that's okay. As someone who's had their own fair share of experience going down clickhole after clickhole, spending consecutive hour after consecutive hour on the internet, and really trying to take a step back and kind of curate my space rather than feeling overwhelmed with all of the same information or the same content that doesn't necessarily speak to me or serve me well, I'm really trying to reorganize and make sure I'm getting the best out of my internet experience. And if I can, I want to help do that for you in some way. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. And regular watchers, you know that for the most part, this channel is focused around beauty. That's what I'm most passionate about, that's what I have the most experience in, and that's what I'm really in the thick of right now at this point in my life and what I'm excited about growing in and throughout. And I think for the most part, we have that in common. But I want to take a moment to check in with you and see if you're looking for something more specific and if I can provide that in any way. Are you newer to makeup and looking to learn a little bit more, maybe more specifically how-to tutorials, step-by-steps and how to do certain looks or certain techniques, focusing on eyeliner, lip color, anything like that, maybe how to find colors for yourself and how to apply certain things. Maybe you want to become a makeup artist and are curious about my experience and maybe my thoughts on what the future holds for all of us. Skincare, hair care, nails, the beauty scene in LA, whatever that looks like. Maybe you want to make a big move one day and you want to know more about my experience moving from Michigan to California, my previous jobs, my past life, you could say. You want to know what I cook. You want to know about relationship stuff. You want to know about my personal growth journey. That's a big focus of mine. Whatever it is, I'm happy to have the conversation and I'm happy to add value where I feel that I can and where it feels makes sense. So please just let me know your thoughts. I'm so anxious to hear what you have to say. And again, in advance, I want to say thank you. I know that right now I'm putting a lot more effort into being more selective about the content that I'm consuming. How much, when, and who it's coming from. I know that I really benefit from a relationship, like a friendship type feel from the person that I'm watching, whether it's beauty related, whether it's about food, whether it's about meditation, whatever it is, when there's a connection that's there, that's really important to me. So I want to say thank you for those of you who are here and trusting me with your time. I so value that. And I only want to continue to honor that, especially as all of our real life relationships and interactions have shifted, are shifting, and will continue to shift into the near future until we're all able to be safe and healthy all together once again. This is a space that I don't want to take for granted. I want to take every effort to make sure that this is a community space that's mutually beneficial, that we all have fun and enjoy ourselves and enjoy each other and learn and laugh and just live, laugh, love, while we're all here. I want us to feel good at the end of each video and maybe learn something new and just have a fun conversation. So with that said, again, and as always and forever, thank you in advance for all of your input and your feedback. I thrive off of it. It just helps me to be better and make this space more of what we both want it as time goes on. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I greatly appreciate you. My hope, if it's not already, and it's totally fair if it's not, that the internet continues to be a place of positivity for us all because it's easy while we're all spending more time home and on it, that it can tell us things that aren't true about ourselves, about the world, whatever that looks like. And I just want to get rid of that. We only have time for the good stuff and I want to keep it that way and I want us to keep doing what makes us feel good. That's all I got. I'll see you next time. Love you.